Hi all, welcome back. Spicy, crispy, juicy buttermilk fried chicken is my recipe video on Arlene's Recipe Corner. Serve this as a snack or as a starter. I hope you will like this recipe video of mine, so keep watching. Into a mixer jar, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns, 3 cloves garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, 3 green chilies. Here you can add 2 more for extra spiciness. Handful of cleaned and washed mint leaves. Salt to taste. And 1 cup curd. Now grind all this till smooth. Our spicy buttermilk marinade is ready. Here I have not added any water as the curd when blended turns watery. Take 500 grams of cleaned and washed chicken pieces and apply deep cuts. Add the chicken pieces into a mixing bowl. Pour the buttermilk marinade over the chicken pieces. I am also adding half tsp of oregano. Give this a good mix. Allow the chicken pieces to rest in this marinade for minimum 1 hour for good results. While the chicken is marinating, let's make the dry mix to coat them. Into a plate, add 1 cup all-purpose flour. Here I am also adding 1/4 cup of rice flour. A pinch of oregano. 2 pinch of freshly crushed black pepper. 1 pinch red chili powder. Now mix well. Do not forget to add salt. Here I have added 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now mix well. Take the marinated chicken pieces and coat them one by one with this dry mix. Press the dry mix well onto the chicken. Shake off the excess flour and keep aside. Repeat the same with all the pieces. In a kadai, heat oil to deep fry the chicken. Once hot, add the chicken pieces one by one. And fry for 30 seconds on each side on high flame. Lower the heat and fry the chicken till it turns golden brown. Now, to make the chicken more crispy, fry it on high heat for another 30 seconds. Once done, remove from oil. and serve hot. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how did you like the recipe. Thank you so much for visiting and watching. Do subscribe to meet us again. Take care. Bye-bye.